I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Microsoft Teams and signing in with the account that will host the meeting. Once signed in, go straight to Calendar and choose New Meeting to create an event. This is the only way to generate an official Teams link tied to your tenant. Enter a clear title, pick date, and start /end times, then add required attendees or distribution list so invites include the link. Make sure to select time zone if different from your device to avoid scheduling errors. Once the event draft exists, you refine details that determine who can join and how. Add a concise agenda and attachment so participants know the purpose. This improves turnout. Click Meeting Options after saving to choose who bypasses the lobby and who is a presenter versus attendee, because those settings control screen share and recording rights. If the meeting belongs to a team, select a channel to post the meeting, which makes the link visible to that team's members automatically. To finish, open the saved event and copy the Join Microsoft Teams meeting link from the details. This link is the canonical connector for attendees. Paste it into your invite, an email, or a chat so everyone has direct access. Include dial-in numbers if you enabled PSTN. If someone cannot join, make sure your tenant allows external guests, verify attendee email domains, and confirm lobby/presenter settings. Adjusting those typically resolves access problems quickly, and then resend the link if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.